Hello, guys. Good morning. I have some football predictions for you today. And then the first game we have here is a game in the Argentina Premier C where CA Grepo is taking on Real Pilar. And my prediction here is something winner for them. The next one is a game between Starset taking on CA Hurricane, still in Argentina. Primera Women. My prediction here is full time draw. Then the last game we have is a game in the England EFL Trophy, a game between Bromley taking on Cambridge United. And my prediction here is both team to score or full time draw. Then this is the booking code for the game. If you are not using Sportybet and you don't have the option in your own local bookie, you can play both team to score for the last game, which is showing here. That's the Bromley game. Okay, the booking code is here. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. I will also share with you today's three odds. So if you want to play or you want to play both, you can play both, but don't combine them in one ticket. So the three odds ticket is the game between Exeter taking on Swindon Town, home team win. That's Exeter City win. Then the next game is in Norway, where Njordarling 2 is taking on Ascolin. And my prediction here is home team win at full time. That gives us a total of three odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you're not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game the way I selected and play. Thank you. Remember, our VIP is affordable for everyone to join, and also it's a paid service, it's not free, it's not pay after. So thank you. Make up your mind before you chat me up. Thank you so much.